Which brings us to the end of tonight's edition of KTN Prime. As we conclude, let's take you through what you'll be waking up to tomorrow in Kenya's bold newspaper, The Standard. The headline, as you'll see on your screens, "Out with Freedoms." It's all to do with the midnight lows. 4 hours after Raila Odinga's death, President Ruto signed 8 controversial bills into law. Measures critics say betray the very freedoms Raila spent his life defending. Among them is the new Cybercrimes Act, which, while tightening safeguards against online fraud and harassment, hides vague clauses that could muzzle free speech and silence dissent. Former Chief Justice David Maraga has condemned the move as a mockery of Raila's legacy and announced plans to challenge the laws in court. Find out more details about those 4, or rather 8 controversial laws on page 4 and 5 of The Standard. The implications of the Cybercrimes Act have been broken down right there on the front page. One of the pointers being criminalizes publishing false digital information threat of up to 3 years imprisonment or fines of up to 5 million Kenya shillings. Find out more in terms of those 8 controversial laws that were signed or assented to by President William Ruto just hours after Raila Odinga's passing on. More details have been encompassed on tomorrow's edition of Kenya's bold newspaper. Do make sure you grab yourself a copy. Well, that's how we wrap things up right here on KTN Prime. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your viewing. My name is Jesse Rogers. Our sign language interpreter is Preeti Janet. Good evening.